Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Valentine's Day Dollar Tree DIY. We're going to start with some of the white felt from Dollar Tree, just one sheet of it. And I'm just going to use one of the little wood hearts from Dollar Tree to make a little stencil. And using an ink pen, I'm just going to draw out a couple of hearts. Now you can make as many of these as you want. What I'm going to do is just make two. That's probably all I need for my coffee table. But what I'm going to do is make some Valentine's Day coasters. These are going to be like the felted bottoms, and it's going to work out perfectly to protect like my table surface. And I like the fact that it's white, so it kind of blends in with the rope. So this is the Dollar Tree white rope. It doesn't really matter, I guess, which diameter one that you use. Just remove the tape from the end, and you're going to start here on the outside and start hot gluing this on. What we're going to do is make the rope follow the heart shape and just keep going around and around until we fill the entire thing up. Now, I like to do coastal Valentine's Day, and so this goes perfectly with my decor, but you really wouldn't have to do coastal for this. The rope coaster is really cool on its own, and I find that it kind of takes some moisture and stuff off of your drink and stuff like that, so it works pretty well too. It's pretty functional. When you get to the very middle, just kind of see what fits. Just keep following the shape of the heart and glue that down, making sure you glue down like any loose fibers from where you cut it. You can also kind of squeeze it to make sure that it is nice and tight. You don't want like a big gap between your rope. And you're also going to want to kind of seal the loose end here. I like to do that with a little bit of hot glue. Once that cools a little bit, you can shape that however you want. Super cute and so easy for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to make a second one the same exact way. I did notice they were slightly different. I kind of like that. It makes them a little bit more unique, but I have the same exact template. I guess it just kind of depends on how you glue it together. But again, just going around and around. I usually do this like with circles and shapes like that, but it's totally possible to do this with the heart shape as well. Again, just making sure you seal any of the loose edges of the rope that you cut and try to make sure that there's no gaps. And we have two little coasters here for Valentine's Day. I love them. I'm going to use them on my coffee table for Valentine's Day, and they totally go with my decor. Now, if you wanted to do it with the brown rope as well from Dollar Tree, I think it would work. It wouldn't quite be as absorbent as this white nautical rope, but I think it's really fun. I guess if you wanted to do like a Valentine color on the back, like a pink or a red for the felt, that would be really cute too. This is how mine turned out. And if you'd like more Valentine's Day Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.